In this video, I'll show you how to create a device link group. To begin, sign into Equinix Fabric. From the Network Edge menu, select Device Link Inventory. Click Create New Device Link Group. All of your devices will display. You can use the filter option to locate a device from a specific metro. Click the devices you want to link. Keep in mind that self-configured devices must be manually provisioned after the device link is created. Click Next, Device Link Details. In the Device Link Details section, enter a link name in the Device Link Name field. Select Primary to create a primary DLG connection through the primary fabric plane. In the Interfaces section, automatically select the next available interface on my devices if you want to use the next available interface, or I will select an interface if you want to specify an interface, and then select a primary interface and a secondary interface. Keep in mind that this reserved interface will not be available to create connections to any other service provider. Select a connection bandwidth. Then click Next, Review. Review the details, devices, and pricing. Click Submit. Your devices will be rebooted, and the link will be established within 10 minutes. That concludes this demo. Thanks for watching.